Hello, my name is Kevin Jacob, and today I'll be talking about the DC Special Flight Rules area and the Leesburg Maneuvering area. I've decided to talk about this topic because I do my flight training at Leesburg Airport, and I do work there at the FBO. And more often than not, I do hear pilots and individuals complaining about the Leesburg Maneuvering area and all the rules and regulations that go along with it. So for my service project idea, I was like, maybe I should create a PowerPoint that could, inform and teach pilots and individuals at Leesburg, how to get into and out of Leesburg the best way possible, and so that way, they could avoid the possible pilot deviation. And as a pilot, getting a possible pilot deviation is the worst thing that could happen to you. There's a possibility of the removal of the license. So, before we attack the Leesburg maneuvering area, we must dissect and understand what the DC SFRA is. And so, pretty much, the DC SFRA was created after the attacks in 9/11. And it's pretty much a guarded airspace created by the government in order to protect the capital of the nation from a breach of security. So from the DCA VOR DME, it extends 30 nautical miles out, and it goes up vertically up to 18,000 feet. The DC SFRA includes the flight restricted zone and the Leesburg maneuvering area. So within the SFRA, an aircraft must be at or below 180 knots. It can't go any faster. And you never want to squawk 1200 because it is a violation of the FAA within the SFRA. So how would you fly in the SFRA? So as a VFR pilot, there are requirements. You must have a two-way radio, a transponder, and a specific flight plan, also known as the SFRA flight plan. If you're an IFR pilot, you must need a two-way radio, a transponder, and a specific flight plan, also known as the SFRA flight plan, as well as a standard IFR flight plan. And so to enter the SFRA from an airport outside the SFRA, you must follow SFRA flight plan, obtain a code, and maintain communication with ATC. So once you have gone into the SFRA and landed at the airport, and once you've shut down, that SFRA flight plan is considered closed. If you'd want to depart the SFRA from an airport inside the SFRA, you must follow SFRA flight plan, obtain a transponder code, and then maintain two-way radio communication with ATC. And once you cross that line where the SFRA gate is, once you cross that line and you're out, the SFRA flight plan is closed, and ATCs will notify you on it. Let's look on traffic pattern operations in SFRA. So Leesburg, out here at Leesburg, when you're on the ground, you want to request to remain in the pattern, right? And then for your transponder, you want to squawk 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to maintain radio communication with ground, tower, and pretty much tower. And then when you're in the pattern, you want to monitor 1, 2, 1.5. When the tower is closed, what you want to do is file a SFRA flight plan, and you're going to call clearance delivery, and you're going to be like, hey, listen, I want to do pattern work, please could you give me my code? And then they're going to give you the code, and once you're done with your traffic pattern operations, you're going to have to call up clearance delivery, and pretty much they're going to close the flight plan for you. So this is my CF5 Mark battery, and I is going to explain to you guys the Leesburg maneuvering area.
Okay, hey, I am Mark. I am a CFI at Leesburg, specifically the flight school at Aviation Adventures. Again, our airport code is Juliet Yankee Oscar JYO. So we are in the SFRA, and the first things that we always tell brand new students or anyone that's going to be soloing is to always do the DC SFRA on the FAA website. It's pretty much a class, a course that tells you what, how to exit and enter the SFRA, how to make a flight plan, and all of that. Specifically in Leesburg, we have a discrete squawk code, 1226. That is the ingress and outgress code. Ingress egress code coming in and out of Leesburg. So if you are doing a VFR flight, all you got to do is squawk 1226 when you want to depart and enter the Leesburg maneuvering area. And then around the area is going to be the SFRA, so you can't enter that area without filing a flight plan. The next thing is, if you want to do pattern work around the area, all you got to do is clock 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty simple, and after hours, you have to do another flight plan in order to do pattern work around Leesburg. It's really easy to go in and out of Leesburg since it's towered. All you got to do is call 10 miles out, say that you are coming in from the west or east or wherever, and that you want to come in for a landing, and that you have the weather. Tower will be able to will then tell you, hey, you need to enter the left downward from 35 or right down from 35. All you got to do is just follow the directions coming in, and pretty much just treat it like a typical class Delta airport with some barbell shells above you that you must avoid. That's pretty much it. Pretty simple at Leesburg, and hope that helps.
So yeah, that's about it in regards to my presentation, and I hope you guys have a good understanding of the Leesburg maneuvering area as a result. Thank you so much, and if you guys have any questions, I work at ProJet front desk. If you have any questions, come see me and we can chat about it. Thank you.